Do we look and see what's growing well? Here's your little bro. Right, this is the garden at the moment. These are carrots that we sowed.
I'm not sure, James.
We think we sown these in June, early June. There's some Swiss chard. This, I think it's verbena. It's gone completely mad. I mean, it takes the whole width of one bed up, but it is beautiful and the bees love it. And then what's growing well is these sweets that I grew from seed in trays, and they got a good head start. We've got to net them at the moment because the birds like scratching in here. And then a few cabbages of some sort, could be broccoli, and French beans. Hello, Reg. You're a good boy, aren't you? Right, these are beetroot, finally starting to produce. We keep them under the net because deer love them. And they somehow, if we take the net off, they seem to come. So they stay netted for now. And then more beetroot. And the carrots that I think this was the third time we sowed these. And sometimes you have to sow more than once, you know. They just would not come up. It was too hot, too wet, too dry, everything. But they're doing well now. And they're really nice carrots. These are all the winter greens. Net them because of caterpillars, though we haven't seen many butterflies yet. Parsnips, just take you up here. Got potatoes here, flowering. I don't know which variety I got. And here's the Swiss chard, also covered because some of it is red chard, and the deer love that as well. And these are all homegrown broccoli, cavanera, and purple sprouting, all in different places, just filling in the gaps. Here more cabbages. We do eat a lot of, well, cabbages, kale, the sprouts, some few sprouts as well. Also in this one, and this one got carrots. We've had to cover it because the birds keep scratching. This is a bed already with horse manure. Hello, little one. It's Arlo. He's naughty. Always naughty. That one. So I don't know what we're going to put in, but we still need to put things in. French beans, which are looking nice. And this was the broad beans. I mean, broad beans that we've taken out. Last bit of French beans. I mean, Mark's watering. We still do the handy watering can. We bring our own water here. Look, he loves hanging in the nets. But everything's going well. After a very poor start, everything's going well. Now I'll take you to the next bit. This is through the grass. You can see Reggie there. Hello, Reg. Anyway, yesterday I planted sprouts, cavanera at the bottom, some mixed collies and some purple sprouting, so they're all in there. These French beans, I think I've made a mistake. I think these are, as you can see, climbing French beans, and they're slower to produce because they want to climb. So they'll probably all come at the same time. Hello, Arlo. And I'll have to do a lot of canning. Occas. You can see about 3-4 came up from the bought packets. And that's my own. They'll be alright, but I mean, I could have had a lot more. But that is gardening for you. French beans. get a feeling we like French beans. And lower down there is also French beans with some beetroot. I can a lot of French beans because we then have food all winter. Because when you have a hungry gap, we just go to the jars of French beans. And we do like French beans, so it's a good job, isn't it? But these are looking good, the squashes. Look at them. They needed just some hot weather. It was a slow start, but look at them now. You can see the squashes. It's beautiful. I do love squashes. I mean, these are another main food staple through the winter. Look at that. Squash. Little baby squash. Squashes galore. So that will feed us for a long time through the winter. I mean, squash, like I said, is another staple for us. We're just going to finish our last one at home. And I'll use half for my dogs. The other half I'll roast and make soup from. But that's now the first week of July. And that's how long they've lasted. So anyway, I think since the weather has warmed up, everything's growing well. Except that little squash there. He's struggling, but he will catch on. And, well, in the end, you just have to put the effort in and keep it going. There's Mark bringing his water down to water the cabbages, or what I call cabbages, but greens.